Welcome to Hammer's newest series, The Nail. I'm Jeff Usry, the Hammer brand manager. The Hammer Nail combines one of our most successful hammer cores of all time, the Rawhammer Doom Core, with our Shredder Reactive Pearl cover stock. The Nail comes in a smoke and fire pearl color and is sure to catch everyone's eye on the lanes. All of it adds up to a ball that fits perfectly between our Vibe and Arson series and gives hammer bowlers a new symmetric core polished ball option in our lineup. With its 4,000 grit and powerhouse factory finish surface, the Nail offers great length and a devastating back-end move on medium to dry lane conditions. Hammer's video team is back to tackle Kegel's Main Street lane pattern. Robert Flunder IV is first throwing his Grape Vibe as a comparison ball. You'll see that the Nail is a lot stronger in the back end portion of the lane, offering far more reaction than our Vibe series. Robert's full move to throw the Nail is a 5-3 move. Jeremy Hunt is up next. Jeremy's Nail is far more aggressive than the Grape Vibe, forcing him to a completely different zone on the lane. The Nail gives Jeremy the quickest down lane response in the Hammer lineup today. Now we see Kim Mann, our straighter player in the video set. Kim is able to move 2-1 with the Hammer Nail, giving her more hook and entry angle through the pin deck versus the Grape Vibe. Sean Lee is next up with the Nail. He'll start with last season's Grape Vibe. Sean's able to move 3-2 with the new Nail and still get plenty of down lane recovery. Finally, you'll see Les Mann, our lefty in the video set. Les sees a much stronger move out of the new Nail versus his Grape Vibe. The combination of the Doom Core and Les's game gives him the perfect matchup on this Main Street pattern. Les's move in the video set was a total of 6 and 4 with the new nail. For more information on Hammer, check out our website at hammerbowling.com, as well as our brand page on Facebook. Also connect with Hammer on Twitter at BowlHammer.